can't speak much at all good about this one, to be honest with you. When you get out about that far, it looks pretty decent. Maybe a little. Hey everybody, welcome back. Part 2 of the 1969 Dodge Charger MPC, and try to stay positive. It's hard to when the MPC is in front of you. But anyway, like I say, with a lot of models and stuff, the farther you get away from them, the better they look. So this one you'll have to stand a good 10-footer. I don't know where to start, to be honest with you. I really don't. This is going to be a short video, part 2. Hey, if you hadn't already subscribed, I appreciate it if you'd do so. Like this video. Also down the link below, there's a few of products that I like to build with. The links there for Amazon, and you can click on those and go straight there and get them. With all that aside, this one has been a beast. Oh, by the way, it's a rainy day in Georgia. I don't know if you can hear the rain outside. It's really raining today. So I've got the chassis. I managed to get the chassis, made it up to the body, along with the interior, which was no easy feat. For some reason, MPC, or I won't just exclude them, but for some reason this kit, there was not a lot to attach to, so you kind of have to improvise. I've shown some of my improvisions before, but I'm not going to this time. I don't want you to I don't want you to see some of the stuff I have to do. But I did get the chrome finished, the front, the glass, rear glass, the door handles. Got the gas cap on it. The front bumper is now on. I've got to put the black inserts in there where the headlights will go. Got the engine in it. Of course, the interior is in, and so the chassis is on it. Letting a few things dry right now. But like I say, this dude is a beast. I read all the comments. Some of you commented on the last video. One of you guys said that, hey, I started this thing and I just quit with it and went and got the Revell. I don't blame you. This sucker's like I say, they shouldn't charge as much for these at Hobby Lobby for an MPC kit compared to a Revell kit, or even AMT. The MPC is just like bottom level, but it takes a lot more skill. Not saying I'm real skillful, but it takes a lot more skill to build one of these, because you have to improvise in so many ways. I had to trim the bottom of the chassis where it met up with the interior, so it would actually come up high enough so the inner fender wells would come up to the body and things like that. Just really a very challenging kit, but I'm almost done with it, and it will look good sitting on the shelf. So would I do it again? No, absolutely not. And I've got a few more MPC kits like the General Lee. I'll probably never build that, because the experience I've had with this one, and I believe it's the exact same kit, although it's molded in white rather than black. So as I speak louder over this rain, I'm about to get back to it, finish it up. We'll see it with it completed, and then a slideshow at the end. So hang around to the end and you'll see a completed slideshow of it. But I appreciate you guys hanging out and with me on this second part. If you haven't already looked at the first part, part 1, it's quite long. I don't mean to make my video so long. I think it ended up being about 43 minutes long. So it is quite long. I'm trying to keep these a little shorter, but let's get this thing. Oh, by the way, one of you guys commented the Street 426 didn't have a single carburetor. It had dual 4s. That's fine. But my Street 426 has got an 1100 Dominator on it, so I don't need 2 carbs. I'm doing it with 1, and that's a joke. And I replied with that same thing to you, whoever you did that. Hey man, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I mean, who cares, guys? This is a custom car. This is not like I'm trying to build a replica of the exact, stock Charger. That's not what my goal is. Sometimes it is, but on this one, I'm just having fun. I mean, you wouldn't have had yellow spark plug wires on it either. They would have come with black spark plug wires, but nobody commented on that one. And yes, I know that the boots on the 426 were molded into the valve cover. Unfortunately, I didn't have those kind of boots, so I made it look how I wanted it to. That's the whole game with building kits, model kits. You build it how you want to. Unless there's a challenge, a group build, or something like that, where you will have, do it this way, or we're going to, whatever, box stock. Yeah, then I can understand. But man, I'm just trying to have a good time doing this. And I think it looks pretty cool, to be honest with you. But criticism's good. Sometimes it's a little painful, but it's good. And hey, I'll take all your criticism. So comment in the comment section, and I do read every single comment that comes in. I'm able to do that. There's a lot. I've been getting quite a few comments, but I do try to respond, if nothing else but a thumbs up and a heart, because guys, I do read your comments, and I need to respond to more, and I try to respond to the majority of them. But thanks for your comments. Again, I'm fixing to turn this off. I'm going to finish up this kit, and when I come back, this thing's going to be on the little turntable, and we'll be talking about it as it's completed. So stand by. All right, here it is, all finished up to the best of my ability. I did what I could do. Couldn't recommend this to anybody unless it's like a challenge build. Find the hardest kit, and build it. This probably be top of the list for that, but nevertheless, I got her together. I don't like how it sits. It sits up high in the front. I can't speak much at all good about this one, to be honest with you. When you get out about that far, it looks pretty decent. Maybe a little farther. It's a Charger. Now that I look at the wheel wells, I see that they're not even round once I'm putting this thing together. So anyway, guys, here it is, all buttoned up, finished up to the, like I say, to the best of my ability. Don't recommend this one unless you just, like I say, want something to do to keep you busy for a while. I got the interior. The interior actually turned out looking fairly nice, but oh well. Paint finish turned out. Sorry, paint finish turned out pretty decent. I'm pretty pleased with the paint. The silver Model Masters, I think is what it was. I get most of my paint from Hobby Lobby, so when I'm there, I'll grab a little bottle or two of paint. So pull off the hood. And there it is. The motor, engine, whatever you want to call it. 426 street Hemi with a single 1100 Dominator. I did not run a heater hose or a radiator hose to this because there's such low detail on the radiator. I think it would look more ridiculous to try and fake hooking up a top radiator hose, so I did not. It doesn't come with one. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I mean, I'm not super excited about this one, so the engine's a little, or the bottom, I scuffed it up with some dry brushing. I don't know. I'll try to make it look better in the pictures, but like I said, I don't like the stance. It seems like it sits up a little high in the front. That breather did not come with this kit. The breather that came with it was weird. It's like it sit down so far between the valve covers, it would hit the valve covers and not sit on the carburetor. So I looked through some of my mini finish kits, and that was a breather that was on, I don't remember, come on one of them, and I said that'll work. So I had to build it up a little bit to make it sit higher, and so it wouldn't sit on the little, the carburetor does not look real on this thing. I mean, the carburetor basically is a little block of plastic. So sorry guys, I'd be more positive, but this is just, there's not a lot of positivity here. It's gonna look nice on the shelf, and nicer from a distance, but that's it. That's him. So I'm gonna take some pictures, slideshow, get a little closer, pose it and make it look, stage it. You know how people, when they sell houses, they stage their houses to make them look all fancy and everything. That's what I'll do with this. I'll have to make it turn out in anywhere acceptable. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Again, please subscribe if you haven't already. Please give it a thumbs up, like it. If you haven't already, go back to my previous giveaway video and put your name in the hat for giving away the 55 Corvette. So go do that if you haven't already. I'm going to draw those names Saturday. I think January the 30th is what that Saturday is. So I'll draw the name out for the winner of that kit, the AMT 1955 Corvette, and I'll ship it to whoever wins free of charge. Just to say thanks to my subscribers. You must be a subscriber to win. Again, if you have any good comments, please put them in the comment section below, and we're about to take some pictures of this thing and put it on the shelf. So guys, I appreciate again you watching. Thanks to the faithful watchers and subscribers, and until the next kit, we'll see you later. You guys take care. Bye.